All right, let's talk about how you can convert liters to gallons in Excel, assuming that you don't know how many liters are in a gallon or vice versa. So Excel has a built-in formula that you can use to do this conversion. So here we have a column of liters and a column of gallons, and we just want to know how many liters are in a gallon and how many gallons are in a liter. So you're going to start off by clicking in the cell, hitting equals, convert, is going to be the formula you're going to use. It's going to ask for the number, so select the cell that you're trying to convert. So in this case, we're trying to convert 1 liter into gallons, and then we'll do comma, and it's going to ask you, well, what unit of measurement is that in? And the abbreviation for liters is L, so we'll do quote. So we'll do quote, L, quote, and then we'll do comma. And we know the abbreviation for gallon is gal, so we'll do quote G and select gal, end quote. Then we'll go ahead and hit enter, and that'll convert these liters into gallons for you. And we'll just remove some of these decimals. Now we can do the same thing vice versa by using the convert formula here. Now we're going to convert gallons into liters, select the number of gallons, comma. Now we need to change this up, and gallon will be first because this is in gallons, and we want that to be in liters. And then we'll go ahead and hit enter, and then that will then convert gallons to liters for us. So that's how you can convert liters to gallons or gallons to liters within Excel, quick and easy. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.